If you received a markdown right here, it was most likely because you either didn't set the sheet for landscape orientation, or you didn't define the range. And I want to make sure you all understand how to define the range. I mean, setting landscape, I think most of you know, but that's what this video is all about. So defining that range, let's go to the sheet. And okay, so this sheet has, in the page layout, I see that it has been set to landscape, but there's no print area. And the instructions said the range of A3 through B15. What that means is that's what's going to print. This part up here would not print on this particular sheet. So if I'm to look at this, what I would do is I would come in to my page layout and go to my, I can do it in print area, but I want it to be saved with the sheet. So I'm going to set the print area here and go A3 through F18, hit enter, and see it's defined. And I click OK. And now if I was to do a print preview on this, see, it's not going to bring up the title, it's only going to bring up the range. And that's what you were supposed to do in this particular exercise. One other problem that I saw, and it doesn't look like Constance made the error, but I wanted you to use the information in the video for this particular section. Now, in this one that I'm looking at, it could have used the sheet tab name possibly on the second line because it's overrunning here. Let's see what happens if I do that. See, and that makes it so that it doesn't overrun on the bottom. So that gives you an idea on how this should have been done and why you lost those points. Have a nice day.